Good morning, students. মই তোমালোকক আজি exercise 1.1 or question number 4 to বুজাই দিব ধৰিছো তোমালোকৰ question টো হৈছে show that the relation R on capital R defined as R is equal to ordered pair AB where A less than B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Try to clear the question. Here your given relation is, first you can write down your given set. So it's given what? R is your set. This is your given set. Here I am giving two lines just to represent that these are represent the set of real number. And here you see the difference between R and R. Otherwise it may confuse you. That's why I am using here two lines to represent the set. And also you write down your given relation. Your relation will contain ordered pair AB such that A less than equal to B. That means when A an element is less than or equal to B, then it will form an ordered pair and this ordered pair AB will be in the relation. This will be vice versa. That means if AB belongs to R, then A less than equal to B. And if A less than equal to B, then we'll have what? Ordered pair AB belongs to R. Tamen tumalke swa, jodi ordered pair AB2 R thake, tenehole ki hobo lagibo? A less than equal to B hobo lagibo, ba ultake kobo para, jodi A less than equal to B hoy, tenehole ordered pair AB R thakibo. Eti ami first le jao, reflexive relation. Reflexive. Okay, so reflexive to ki asile amar, we have to show it that every element is related to itself, right? So I am just taking any element, say small a, belongs to the set capital R. You remember the element is always taken from the given set R. Always you have to take. Okay, tumalokor jitu set dia thake, tumi element to khodai tar pora dhoribo lagibo. And now you have to show it that A is related to A because that is your reflexive relation. I hope you remember tumalke ki dekhabo lagisile A belongs to R and it must be true for all A belongs to capital R. Okay, now you see we are taking an element A belongs to R, then obviously you know every element is equal to itself, so obviously what happened? A is less than equal to A. You can write down here obviously A less than equal to A, right? And here you see since A less than equal to A and it is true for any A, for any small a belongs to the set R. Okay, so since A less than equal to A, that means they satisfy the condition, so you can give the conclusion that AA belongs to R, right? This is ordered pair is in the relation but element is from the set. That difference you try to clear and you can write down it since we are taking it for any A, that means this is true for all A belongs to R. You see the difference between this R and R. Ordered pair to quote ase relation at ase kintu tumalokor element to khodai set at ase. So you have seen here that every element is related to itself. That means you can give the conclusion that R is reflexive. Okay, now we have to show it that symmetric condition. So for symmetric, what you have to show? If AB belongs to R, then we have to show it that BA belongs to R. If this, then this is present. That means this is an if-then statement. Jodi etu thake tenehole etu thakibo lagibo. Ite tumaloke swa jodi A bitke horu hoy, yate condition tu mate A bitke horu hole AB arot thakibo, kintu A bitke horu hole B etke horu hobo janu? If A less than equal to B, then AB belongs to R. But if will you get B less than equal to A if A less than equal to B? Obviously not. Hone nohoy eta element jodi itutke horu ba saman hoy tenne ultatu keteo true nohoy. So since it is not, so in the case of symmetric it is sufficient to give an example. As I already told you that if yes, you have to use the definition, if no, give an example. So I am taking it. Suppose I am taking here 2, 3, any element you can take belongs to the set of real number. Then we know it 2 less than equal to 3. Hoy ne nohoy 2 less than equal to 3 hoy, it gives you what? 2 jodi less than equal to 3 hoy means it satisfied a condition. Therefore 2 3 belongs to R. So you can write down here 2 3 belongs to R. This is your relation R. But what we'll get? 3 is not less than 2. 3 to ulta kori dilu. 3 is not less than 2. So what is your conclusion? It gives you 3 2 does not belongs to R. So we have taken an element ordered pair. 2 3 belongs to R, but we see here that 3 3 is not in R. So what is your conclusion? Therefore R is not symmetric. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm going to the third condition, that is your transitive condition. So you see, in the case of reflexive, we have to take one element, A belongs to R. In case of symmetric, we have to take two elements, 2 and 3 in R. And in the case of transitive, you see, first you check it, transitive condition satisfy or not. Your condition is what? If you take AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then we have to show what? AC belongs to R. Eto tumi dekhabo lage. Eta tumalke jana, A jodi B ke horu belongs to R means A less than equal to B. And if BC belongs to R, then B less than equal to C. So obviously A less than equal to C. It means AC will be in the relation. So use the definition. Let you take general element A, B, C belongs to the set of real number. And how to consider it? Such that ordered pair AB belongs to R and also ordered pair BC belongs to R. That gives you A less than equal to B and what? B less than equal to C. Right? This is from the definition. And from here we can say A less than equal to C. A bit ke horu, B sit ke horu. So obviously A sit ke horu hobo. This gives you AC belongs to R. Means you are taking ordered pair and it satisfied a condition. B here, B and this B are same. And then first is related with third. First is related with third. Right? So we can say that AC belongs to R. And what is your conclusion? R is transitive. Thank you.